Dear children, today we will learn the amazing story of Prophet Musa alayhi salam. When Pharaoh was spreading cruelty everywhere, Allah protected Prophet Musa. His mother placed him in a basket and set it gently into the river. The basket floated all the way to Pharaoh's palace, where the people of the palace found the baby. Allah kept Prophet Musa safe. When Prophet Musa grew older, Allah chose him as a prophet. One night, he saw a glowing tree. Allah commanded him to guide his people. Prophet Musa went to Pharaoh and invited him toward Allah. But Pharaoh was very proud and refused to listen. Then, by Allah's command, the staff of Musa turned into a giant serpent. Everyone was shocked. Allah commanded Prophet Musa and the believers to leave Egypt during the night. Pharaoh chased them with his army. When Prophet Musa reached the sea, Allah commanded him to strike it with his staff. And then, the sea split into two parts. The people watched in amazement. Prophet Musa and the believers crossed safely, but Pharaoh and his army were drowned in the sea. Dear children, we should always trust Allah. Allah always helps his righteous servants. Do you want to hear the next prophet story? Then comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more
For more educational videos and stories, subscribe our channel and follow the Facebook page.